Okay, you're on.
Achoo! Blossom here from Lotus Blossom Clinic. I am the unofficial spokes puppet for Lotus Blossom Clinic, open in Southwest Fort Myers since 2007. Today, I'm speaking with Dr. David Martin, our Doctor of Oriental Medicine and acupuncture physician. Hello, Dr. Martin. Achoo!
Yes, Blossom, I heard you sneeze. Are you okay?
I think I'm allergic to the camera.
I think a lot of us are allergic to the camera. Did you know that at Lotus Blossom Clinic we have an immunity kit that can help protect you from colds, flu, and even those seasonal allergies?
Achoo! I am all ears. Actually, I am probably only 20% ears, but I am listening.
Okay, in our immunity kit we've included a bunch of great supplements like vitamin C, which is well known during flu season to help. And we have a very potent vitamin C. It's very absorbable and it builds your immunity. It's a great antioxidant and it is buffered so it's easy on your stomach. And it's also time released.
Wow, my grandmom has that at home. It's a grandmom approved product.
Yes, it is. Oh, we also have zinc in our immunity kit, which is good because zinc helps your enzymes do their work to help your immune system. And it also helps you grow and develop. So when you don't have enough zinc, you just get weaker. You want it to help you grow and get strong in all ways.
Wow, and I just thought zinc was a metal with an atomic number of 30, a melting point of 787 degrees Fahrenheit, and a density of 7.149 grams per cubic centimeter. I like zinc.
You obviously do like zinc. Our kit also has vitamin D3, which is critical to all body functions. And it helps you build your immune cells. And it helps them to fight off infections. So it's very useful for immunity as well as bones. And everybody should be really getting a little more sunlight to make sure you get enough D3. But you can also take the supplement to help out.
Wow, and I think that I've heard all over the place that most people are deficient in D3. This is really critical for people, and I take it for bone health. Well, right now, Dr. Martin, it seems like the world has a lot of pathogens, viruses, and bacteria. I need some vitamin D3.
Yes, we all do, actually. Another thing we have in our kit is jade windscreen, and that's a Chinese herbal formula.
Oh, I know about this one. Dr. Zhu Shenheng put this formula in his book in 1481, just about the time Columbus was planning to sail to America. This is the formula you take before you get sick, so you don't get sick. It boosts your immunity and helps your body defend against pathogens.
That's right, Blossom. Can you tell me more about the other two Chinese herbs we have in our kit? We have Yin Chao San and Gan Mao Ling.
Oh, my favorites. Yin Chao San is always used at the very first sign of symptoms like a sore throat or a fever or a respiratory pathogen. It helps stop you from getting too sick. And it's really a very effective antiviral. Gan Mao Ling is used similarly, except that it has more immunity boosting functions. It is in the kit because you need to have it on hand at the first sign of a fever. You don't want to wait to have to go out and buy it. Well, Dr. Martin, is there anything else in the kit?
Yes, we have medicinal mushrooms in the kit. You know, medicinal mushrooms have been part of Chinese medicine for centuries, and they still are. So we have herbal formulas that include these mushrooms that help boost your immunity and fight pathogens.
Wow, cool. And I think there's probably some probiotics in there too. There's always probiotics, right?
That's right.
Well, that is a lot of stuff. Do I need to get it all?
Well, no, that's the beauty of the kit. The kit is, you know, if you're young and strong and healthy, you might not need everything in the kit, just some part of it.
Well, but if you're older and weaker and sick already, you might want to get it all.
That's true.
Well, that is our video. I hope you like it. Thank you for stopping by, Dr. Martin.
Absolutely.
Stay healthy, folks. Achoo! I'm going to get some of those Chinese herbs right now. You can find Lotus Blossom Clinic's immunity kit with these and a few other items in the online store at lotusblossomclinic.com, or come to our clinic pharmacy in South Fort Myers. For more Spoonful Experience videos like this, please click the subscribe button below and also the little bell, which will give an alarm when there's a new video. So good night, good afternoon, good day from wherever you are viewing us, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.